In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache and cookies in Google Chrome quickly and safely. This is a simple but powerful fix if Chrome is running slow, websites are not loading properly, pages look outdated, or you just want to clear out stored browsing data for privacy. Clearing your cache and cookies can help refresh your browser and solve a lot of common issues in just a minute or two. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you can use a keyboard shortcut to bring up the Clear Browsing Data window instantly. If you're on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. That shortcut takes you directly to the data removal screen, which saves you from having to dig through menus. Now that the Clear Browsing Data window is open, look for the Time Range drop-down menu. Click it and set it to All Time. This is important if you want a complete cleanup instead of clearing only recent data. Choosing All Time ensures that Chrome removes everything you want from the browser history cache and stored cookies. Next, you'll see a list of items you can delete. Make sure to check the box for cookies and other site data. Keep in mind that this will sign you out of most websites, so if you're logged into accounts you use often, you may need to sign back in afterward. Then check the box for cached images and files. This is the part that helps Chrome load fresh versions of websites instead of using older saved files. Once both of those boxes are selected, take one last look to make sure the time range is set correctly and the right items are checked. After that, click the blue Clear Data button at the bottom of the window. Chrome will now delete the selected cookies and cached files, and depending on how much data you have stored, it may take a few moments to finish. Once it's done, your browser will be cleaner and may perform better on websites that were giving you trouble. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache and cookies in Google Chrome. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful computer tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.